We've just acquired this very impressive Volvo S60. It's a 2 litre D3 R design, top of the range. It's in absolutely fabulous condition in gleaming black. Alloy wheels are unmarked. The dual anthracite silver chrome finish. Mirrors that set it off in chrome. Twin exhaust and rear diffuser on the D3, rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the carpet match to go with the car as well. The R design comes with its own particular interior trim, the two-tone. It's all in absolutely lovely condition. This vehicle does have a full service history and has had the recent CAMBELT and water pump change, which is required on these cars at this age of mileage. Look at that, in lovely condition. You have the blue surround dials as well on the R design. It's done 112,559 miles. It's got cruise control, climate control, DAB, heated seats, 6-speed gearbox, an aux point there, obviously electric windows, electric mirrors, R design special steering wheel. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.